Welcome everyone. The add card to Apple Pay feature isn't working because your iPhone's region is incorrect. So to fix this, we're going to open up the Settings app, and from here you want to find where it says General, and then we're going to find where it says Language and Region. Under the region section here, you're going to use the correct region. So I am from the United Kingdom, so I'm going to tick this one. It may ask if you want to change the keyboard layout, so I'm going to use the English US still. And once you've done this, we're going to go back into the Wallet app. We're going to close out of the Wallet app. And now when I tap on the plus, this time it should work. If it doesn't work, you may need to restart your iPhone after the region was changed. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.